So what's up, guys? What up, everybody? Good afternoon. This side is exactly 1 p.m. GMT plus one in Lagos, Nigeria. What about you guys? Where you guys at? Where you guys at? Where you guys at? Where you guys at? Time with another Monday afternoon. May God protect Mr. Jeffrey Benson Forex. Amen. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So if you are live, let me know where you're joining me from. I'm right now in Lagos, Nigeria. Where are you guys at? Where are you at? I'm right at the Forex office. Just as you guys can see, I'm live at the office, and the students are at the other room. They are currently streaming with us, and everyone is well represented. So let me know where you guys at. Where you guys at? Oh my goodness, this guy is active like Chivita. Good. Bauchi, Cardinal, Ghana, Abuja, Bayelsa, Ibadan, Ghana, Port Harcourt, South Africa, Ibadan. Oh my goodness, you guys are just on fire. Badagry, Abuja, Indonesia, different part of the world. We have Dubai too. We have South Africa, we have Ghana, we have Kenya, we have Calabar, we have the UK, United Kingdom. We have loads of people here. As you guys can already see on your screen, now this small part on the right side of your screen. All right, so today, just as you can see, it's Forex Beginners Live Trading. We're going to be trading, but carrying the beginners along, not just starting from where the beginners cannot get it. So if you're a beginner and you're seeing this live stream for the first time, please just like this video, because today we are finally going to be considering you as a beginner. We are considering you as the beginner. So just like this video, and also share this link to people on your WhatsApp story, because they really need to be a part of this. Even if they're not going to be trading, let them just see it. So the next time they'll brace themselves up and they'll be coming for the next live session and they'll be taking it seriously. We definitely will make money, obviously. All right. So last thing, I want to give a shout out to Alexa Luella. So she just joined the YouTube membership right here. Thank you, Alexa. In case people that join that are people that usually have questions and they want me to prioritize them. So if you've got any question, just let me know. So we have Krista from Atlanta, Burkina Faso, Benin Republic, Ugali, Burkina Faso, different part of the world, basically. They are all in here. So let's share this video, share this live with people. Let's go. So as a beginner, there are two things you need, two tools. Number one, you just need your phone. And number two, you need your readiness. Then three, you might need a laptop later on. But the two basic things, be ready and have a smartphone with that. So if you're watching me right now, you even probably have two smartphones, but you're not putting to good use. You're not making money with that. Just imagine. My own smartphone, this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 terabyte, made me this much this month. So I would done $350,000, you guys can see. So you can see? You can see? You can see? No, it's small thing. So how much is yours making you? It's just putting you in trouble. Are you using it to make videos or put you in trouble on Facebook and on Insta, or you are using it to make money? All right. Don't worry. Even if yours is putting you in trouble, by the end of this class, you should start making you money at the comfort of your home. All right. I'm gonna teach you. All right. So good. So now, bring out your phone now. Let's go. Let's get started. First thing first, you want to have is to have these apps that I'm about to list out for you, download it. So I'm going to go over them because it's been recorded. You can come later to come and watch it over and over again. But I'm just going to go out and show you guys the apps to download right now. Okay. If you are ready, drop number one first. Drop number one on it first. If you are ready, drop number one. Drop number one. Let me know. It's not trouble. Okay, drop number one. Let's go. Okay, good. Okay, ready? One. Okay, interesting. Good. So we have loads of people dropping number one. Let's get started. So for beginners, first app you want to download is what we call MetaTrader 5 application. This is the app that allows you to place trades. So you say MetaTrader 5. So if you are using iPhone, go to iOS. If you're using Android, go to Play Store. Look for this app, MetaTrader 5, and download it on your phone. That's all. Once you're done, step number one completed. All right. Step number two, you want to sign up with ASX Market Broker. This is the link. You can sign up with this link right now with this one. I always share this thing every day on our Telegram channel. So the reason why you need to do this step is that you need this step so that you will be able to fund the account, to make money, and then to also trade. This is where you get to deposit your money and withdraw your money and get to trade from day to day. So I just sent it again on the Telegram channel in case you're part of the Telegram channel. So if you click on this link, let me share the link first off. Let me share the link. That is the link right now that is currently in front of your screen. Click on this link to sign up right now. So if you sign up on this link, what you need now is to be able to trade, to link this your MetaTrader 5 with the broker. All right, so this is how it should look. So if I tap on this link, right, it's going to bring me to this sign up page. So this sign up page, I'm going to put my data, my information, my email. I put my country of residence. Please, countries from United States and Canada are not allowed. So if you are Canada or United States, use a broker we call Oanda or FXCM. Oanda or FXCM. Only clients that are in US and Canada. But if you're in none of those other countries, you are allowed on this brokerage. So sign up and click on I am not a resident, I'm not a USA resident, and click on register. The reason is that those two regions, their tax law and their laws regarding commodities, CFDs, and all this type of trading is different. So you need a different broker that are regulated in those regions. All right. So once you sign up, all right, then the next thing is you want to make sure you link the two of them. You want to link your MetaTrader 5 to your trading, to your MetaTrader 5 to your broker. So your broker here is where you fund your money and you make withdrawal. That's what this one is for. You don't trade here. While a MetaTrader 5 is where you trade. Like the one I just showed you now, my trading and my withdrawals history was on my MetaTrader 5. So if you need a video guide, because if you need a video after now, I'll recommend this video for you guys. So go back, watch this video. This video I made for you guys carefully and edited direct to the point. Beginner's video on Forex trading. Is this video? Yes, how to start Forex trading for beginners 2025 full course. So watch this 2025 version. It's going to take you from zero to where you need to be at. And if you want to just jump, you can jump with these two. I listed everything and what you need to jump to any part you want. So you see how I was using it, how to change your password, how to link everything. So you have to start from, in this video, jump to the 10 minutes, 7 seconds of this video. All right. That's all you need. All right. Good. So now let's start doing analysis. Then what then do you need afterwards? Once you set up, how can you start knowing when to buy, when to sell, when to take profits, when to chop loss, when to chop everything, basically. So that's where this Telegram comes into play. If you want to be taking signal, at least I drop one free signal every day. Every day, one free signal every day. As a trader, I drop you one free signal so you can check my history. So if I say buy, you buy, you make. If I make money, you make money. If I say sell, you make money. So it's easy. So you can actually be going to work and not be fully committed to trading and be taking signals, and you still be able to make money. But then there might be some discrepancies between you and an expert trader. The only difference between you and that expert trader is that you might not know how to make decisions of your own. But some people are actually better off. They don't want to even learn how to do this thing because it's a lot more complex. There's a lot of work they're putting on because they already have a lot of work they're doing. So those are who this package is meant for. All right. And if you also want a system where I send you back-to-back trade all my trades, then you can join the VIP session. All right. But the major one is free. This one is free one is Fire Peeps free signal. Fire Peeps signals. So this one, please. There are loads of fake outside there. So that's why you see I'm taking my time to make sure I show you guys the original links. If you see anyone that is telling you to send them money before they can send you signal or do something, that is not me. Or they can turn your $1,000 to $10,000 in 2 days. That is not me. I can't do that. I don't have that superpowers. The only person that I think have that superpower, I think, is Merlin. So please avoid those kind of claims. I do not do that. All right. So now, with that said, let me now do analysis so that we can place trade now and make profit now, because I know that's why most of you are on this call. If you are ready for that now, drop number 2 on the chat box. If you are ready for that, drop number 2 on the chat box. You ready? Drop number 2. Oh, someone said I should clean my camera. You mean I don't look? It doesn't look fresh, or what? What's going on? Oh yeah, camera cleaned. It's cool, man. It's cool. It's clean. Okay, two. All right, everyone is ready. Meanwhile, get your questions ready. For those people who are subscribed to me on YouTube, get your questions ready. I'm ready to take you guys. I'm ready to take your questions. Leo, thank you very much. You just donated $200. I appreciate you, Leo. Big stuff. But you have to ask a question. Do not just donate. You have to make sure you use your money, right? Good. So let's go. No long talks. Number 2. So first, I'm going to be starting with SAUUSD. Everybody's favorite. Yet it's no one's favorite and still everybody's favorite. Okay. Good stuff. I'm seeing loads of opportunity. First off, I'm seeing sweet opportunity. Okay. All right, go. So you can already see, was this the one I loaded up? Okay, I should load this one up. On gold, I'm seeing a sharp decline in price. Price is dropping, but I don't want us to get in. I'm waiting for the buy instead. So the reason why I'm waiting for the buy is that I'm seeing very good potential that price might reverse soon too for a short scalp for the buy. Except this candle closes this way, I would really have to wait on gold. All right? But I'm seeing opportunity right now is USD card. I'm seeing opportunity on USD card for a quick sell. When we sell USD card right now, we definitely going to make money on USD card. So right about now, let's go in for a sell on USD card. What did I see? So when you sell, first off, let me explain what I started explaining what I see. First, we have been on an uptrend. It's an uptrend. Right? What I'm concerned about is that I just want to be able to catch movement from extent to somewhere this extent before market can continue to you up. So I'm seeing that this is a first high. Markets always respect significant highs, initial highs. So that's why when market got to this first order high, it came back and tested it and it started dropping, right? So now again, I'm seeing markets about to do the same thing about that region. So hence, I'm using this one as a base for it. So a high break and there's a lot of noise. I always would love to wait for more information. A break, you get it. So right now, this research which you guys saw here, this kind of retested it, and it's looking like it's wanting to drop. So hence the reason why I just want to go in for a short right here. And mind you, the trades that I give are trades that are going to give us profit whilst we are here live. So we already agreed that no long talks. This trade is going to give us 16 pips, 16 pips loss, stop loss, and then twice as much should be somewhere around here. Twice as much should be somewhere around here. Let me leave it that way. We're going to be targeting 30 pips profit, more than 30 pips. So let's switch to USD card and sell right now. Sell right now. Me, I'm only going in with just one entry on USD card. I'm in. Then this is where I got in. I got in at the better price. Then my stop is somewhere here. Stop loss is 1.37366. Then that's take profit right in front of you. So I'm going to share this trade to the public Telegram. So if you want to be a part of this public Telegram, I'm also going to drop the link for you guys. Okay, that's the link. You already have the link, guys. You already have the link. So this one is USD card. or you check the description box of this video, you're going to get the link. Yeah, there you go. All right. I'm also in now. GBP USD is also, I'm seeing a potential there too on GBP USD for the buy. GBP USD for the buy, GBP USD. But gold is already gone. Gold is going down already. We missed that move. So this is a W pattern I gave out here, and I've been anticipating this move for a very long time now. This W pattern, the patterns that you can see here, first leg, second one, touching off of this zone means that price is going to go up. So for you to take out this point, then that means we are going to be seeing a strong push to the upside. That's what I'm always looking out for these days. Repeatable patterns that are easy to spot and repetitively. They are more easier to trade. So let's wait. If there's going to be a pullback, a drawdown, then we'll get in. If there is none, we'll just let it go. All right. So let me check GBP JPY, which is the colleague of GBP USD. GBP JPY. I'm seeing it's breaking down. It's doing about opposite of what the previous one is doing. We usually take profit on this trade. Always. We make crazy loads of money on this trade. But for now, I'm seeing that market is just right there. Since gold is going down, this might likely want to start going up. Who knows? So let's check on gold again. Oh, gold is not going to be on the sell side. But let's see. If it flashes up, we'll take action. But if it doesn't, we'll just let it continue that way. All right. We already have one trade. We just USD card. AUD JPY. So another trade again. For AUD JPY, I'm seeing a continuous down push. So market did impulse, it corrected, impulse, correction, and impulse. So this should take out this next low. So market should continue going. But the only reason why I won't want to go on this trade now, why it's not ideal to sell, my stop loss will be too wild. You need me to put my stop loss here, and then that's 25 pips stop loss. And the point where I think it can really move to will be somewhere around here to touch to the initial low. But it's only one-to-one risk to reward. So I'm just going to let it go for now because I'm not ready to risk this much for this only move. But if I'd gotten the confidence that it's going to go further, maybe at least 1 to 2, then I might take the risk, even if I cut it along the way, whilst my risk has already been reduced, then better. So now, yes, that reminds me. So I made a video during the course of last week, and I said why it's important I do what I do, right? So I know some people didn't really get it. They thought, oh, there ain't no way that Jeff, there ain't no way when you reduce your risk, that increase your risk to reward. Oh my goodness, it does, my dear. But you can say that the profit still stay the same. It still stay the same, but risk to reward stays the same. But it changes. So for example, if let's say when I started this trade now, I was on 10 pips stop loss, right? And then my reward was here. My reward was targeted to be somewhere around here. Okay, that is, I'm risking 10 pips to make 20 pips. If I go ahead and turn it to 5 pips that I'm risking, what has happened? My risk to reward has it not changed? It has changed, correct? But that means it doesn't change the fact that if it was to hit me here where I'm supposed to be $200, it's not going to be $400. No, it still means that it's still going to be $200. But what I'm more concerned about is that my risk has changed, and that's what most beginner traders that I argued with that video that I dropped. That's why they stay at the struggling phase. They don't understand this because all what is in their head is what they will get. But for me, as a pro trader, it's not about what I'm going to get. It's about staying alive, survival, making sure I'm not risking nothing, risking less at all the time. But since your mind will not leave what you will get, you're thinking about what you will get, that's why your logic is also short. You will always keep arguing the wrong things. So when I do that now, what does that put me up for? It now means that When I was targeting 200, let's say for example, if the trade has hit my take profit, I would have been making plus $200, right? That means I was risking $100 before. Now that I've turned it to 5 pip, that means I'm not only risking $50. Does that make sense? In a way, that's still a gain. I've been able to save myself with my understanding. I've been able to save myself $50. So if market keep moving, what happens? I break even. That is trade, man. You don't see these things often on YouTube. They don't teach it. Why? Because if they teach it, all of you know it, all of you will be profitable. So that's why I'm never shocked that like I'm giving too much information for free. That's why some of you argue these things in the comment section. So when trade is now in profit, what matters most for you then is not whether or not how much you would have made. Instead, I don't even know how to what matter more. I don't even know how to put it that you guys will understand. It doesn't now matter most how much you had in risk. Is how much right now do I have to lose, or how best can I trade this account to make the maximum most use of this trade that has moved in my favor. Does that make sense? So if this market has moved this way, instead of waiting for it to reverse against you and leaving your stop loss the way it's worth, that's you not maximizing. That's you doing like bolo. Instead, you clear out what it has given to you here, you reposition. Once you come back, you get in again, and the market takes you up. Sorry, I'm a bit like it's just really annoying because you can see because of the week. Most of the painful thing are people that learned on YouTube, all these ICT boys that don't really know how to trade. They just, the only way they're profitable is in their demo. They just come, they keep bombarding, saying funny stuff, and I'm just okay. Now let me leave these guys, because if they knew this information, they wouldn't even be where they currently are. I hope that's clear. If it's clear, drop number 4 for me in the chat box. What I just explained to you now, if it's very clear, it's all difference, preference. What's important to me is capital protection. If you know how to protect your capital, you won't be in any mess. All right, it's capital protection. Capital protection. It's clear now, right? That's what's important. That's the thought process that's what I'm trying to drum for you guys. Capital protection. All right. Now, let's take a look at one more pair that I'm seeing now. We're going to experiment that pretty soon. But meanwhile, let's check our trade USD card. I'm up $1,600, $1,600. You will see me using the same strategy now. So let me just go and talk a little bit more about that. All right. Let me just talk a little bit about what I just said now to buttress. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, so now, say for example, okay, in this trade scenario, I'm risking 15 pips. Let's say what would I do? I'm going to move my stop loss from here. I'm going to move it here. That does not mean I'm in a risk-free trade yet. I only tighten my stop loss. If this trade retraces and hit me out here, I'll be losing less than I would have lost. Step number 1, reasoning number 1, right? This by far does not increase the profit that I would have made on this trade, except I add another position. But I'm not talking about adding another position because I don't want to make this explanation complex for you. But instead, it would have reduced the risk which I started in with. Smartness. So instead of risking 15 pips, now I'm now risking 3 pips. So by far, this has increased my risk to reward ratio. Do you understand? When it was 15 pips here, it was saying risk to reward was 2, which is what I said in that video. Now that I have moved it to this point, can you see? It has increased to 10. Has my risk to reward not increased? It has increased. All right? That's what I'm just trying to communicate. So if when I get in with 10 lot, if you move in my favor, say for example from here to here is 20 pips, that would have meant that I made $200. It still doesn't change the fact I'm still going to make $200, but then it made me make that $200 at a better ease of mind, as a peace of mind, at a controlled loss, which is better. That's what I was just teaching in that video, why I do what I do. This explain when I say you should tighten your stop loss, close out. I don't just call trade for you and wait for stop loss or take profit. I manage it. I control everything to make sure that we make maximum profit. I hope that makes sense. So no long talks now. Let's go to other analysis because I can see there are other opportunities you guys are waiting for, right? That explain it. What other trade I'm seeing now? Someone said I should look out for gold. Yeah, but there's nothing on gold. We just check gold, guys. We check gold. There's really nothing on gold. Yeah, would have gotten in when price moved there, but we're not looking at it. Maybe price pull back up. I would have gotten in for a sell, but that's already gone now. Don't worry. I was looking for a buy if this candle had not closed this bearish. But now that it closes bearish, I'm not looking for a sell. But what would have been a better entry was upon pulling back up here, I would have gotten in again. So let's see. Okay, I see one on GBP So GBP I'm going to be going on with 2 entries now. On GBP I just saw one opportunity for the buy. I saw the buy movement. So now that it's tanking, it's a very good time for us to go in for a buy. So go ahead and buy GBP I'll explain why pretty soon. Let's go ahead because I don't want us to miss this premium price. So you are risking 15 pips again. Oh no, 16 pips. 16 pips to target twice as much. Twice as much. In fact, now that I keep pushing down, it's giving us, yes, go in now. Go in on GBP for a buy. I'm going with 2 entries on this one. 2 entries on a buy. My stop loss is 1.34093. You should be in profit already with that dip. I love that dip. The way it tap and move up. There's something I'm seeing in that region that makes it to tap. That I'm waiting for that drop. Immediately drop on me there. I pick it up and then boom. Snipe. That's what we call sniper tap. 1.34093. We're in profit already on GBP with 2 entries. 1.34093. Copy it and I'll paste it for the other second entry. Copied. Then your take profit should be twice as much. TP. $1.3458. So let me share this on to the signal. You see, sometimes this is how I take trade, it move, and you'll be thinking, why did Jeff put it here when the trade is currently here, when he sent it? I already entered. You did now you not join the real source. You are getting it late. So GBP USD, it's a buy trade. SL 1.34093. TP 1.34585. All right, guys, that's it. So my goal on this with you today, I just want to make 20K with you guys. I'm almost halfway there. I'm 7K up now. 9K, you can see it's fluctuating. 9K now. The GBP USD, I'm 3K in profit, 3K. And then USD card, I'm up 2005. I'm very close there now. Let's go. Imagine someone in the comment section spamming that I don't have capital. What am I supposed to do if you don't have capital now? Come on. Don't be childish, man. Work on, get good, really good knowledge. See, thank you now. Halfway there, guys. Halfway there. Let's go. Halfway there. Okay. How do we learn your strategy from A to Z? This is from Midas Tunes. Learning my strategy is pretty simple. Number 1, join my trading academy where I teach all of these things here at firepipsfx.com. Join right now. So you come to plan, choose if you're not in Nigeria, choose the online plan. If you are around Nigeria in any of our academy, choose the physical plan. We have both of them available. Or if you can come around, you can choose any one of them. All right. This is it. And this is the timetable, the time schedule for the classes. This is your schedule, the things you will learn, the curriculum, beginners, intermediate, advanced, the curriculum. So you can choose anyone. If you already know what is in beginner, then just go to intermediate. If you already are good with intermediate, go to advanced. But most of you already have knowledge. It's just for you to really scale, learning to scale, right? So you should start from intermediate or the advanced one. I hope that makes sense. So now let's talk a little bit about these trades we've taken on GBP USD, most important. So the reason why I'm taking, wait first, on gold, wait a minute. Someone said gold. Gold is so tempting for the sell, but putting my stop loss here. It's 57. Nah. Okay, let's wait. We have to wait. The stop is a lot. The stop loss is too much. It's too long. So we really have to wait. But gold is still going to be dropping. I just wish that it can flash up a bit for us to get in, and then it can start tanking. But now we just have to wait. We just have to wait. We already missed that. All right. So let's check on other pairs. And see. Let's see. Yeah, CHFJPY. I've not looked at that pair today. CHFJPY. It rained. On this pair. It rained. Meanwhile, this pair was the highlight for me for Friday. This pair made me load of money on Friday, and AUDJPY too as well. Also did it really strongly. I think, let me show you guys the breakdown. On the Signal channel, these were the trades that I took for last week. So you can see this is CHFJPY. This is the before I called the trade. Then this was the afterwards, when I told them to tighten their stop loss. All right, this was the profit I was making. CHFJPY. Okay, CHFJPY and USDJPY. So on USDJPY, this was my before. On USDJPY. Then this was the after. And the market kept moving. I didn't show that part. But then for me to be up that 49,000, that means I was already in the that's about how many minutes later? 8:37. The market has already flown. I think it was a news event that was released or something. This kind was printed for us. So, but right now, nothing on USD CHFJPY. On USDJPY, there is nothing to as well. Just pretty flat. So this was the trade. This was the trade that went up in our direction. Okay. Let me also check Euro JPY. Okay. It's 50-50, nothing much going on right now. Everything is pretty just decent. It's flat on Euro JPY. Everything is flat. It's flat. So let's take some question and answer while we are looking out for other trade opportunity to play out. So at least that's going to be all for today. We already have 2 positions. I love to give out 2 opportunities every day, every Monday. 2 opportunities. So we found out opportunities in USD CAD and in GBP USD. So let me just recap then what I'm anticipating. So for USD CAD, we're in a good amount of profit right now. Market started moving down, which is good. Soon we are going to be tightening our stop loss. Thereby, it will increase our risk to reward. That doesn't mean that the amount of money, if you didn't add another position, is going to increase. It just only increases our risk, our chances of making more and risking less. All right, good. So with time, we are going to do that pretty soon. And meanwhile, on GBP USD too as well, I think we are in a small profit. Yeah, we are in small profit. So we got in right here, and then boom. So, and that's all I have here too as well. Boom, that's all I've got. Too as well. So let's start taking questions and answers right now. So I'm now up $3,000. Let's start taking questions and answers. Thank you very much, Joshua. How to link MT5 and broker together. Real account. Yes. Open your account on your ASX market at the back office. Open a live account, whether it's a leverage plus account or a raw spread account. Then you're going to click on the number. If you click on the number, there's a part that says change your password, change password. Change your password there and put a password that you remember. Go to your MetaTrader 5, go to link new account. Put your server, the name of the broker, put your server, put your password, and put your login number, and then it will synchronize the two of them. You go to your ASX market to fund and to withdraw. You trade on your MetaTrader 5, like the way I'm doing. Like this is where you're going to be trading from, but you fund at the back end of the other one, and you withdraw at the back end too as well. So that is how you can use the both of them together. So that video I pointed you to is going to teach you everything you need to know. Please go and watch. Don't try to say, don't trivialize it and say, oh, I already know how to do it and all of that. What is worth doing at all is worth doing well. So that's why I'm really encouraging you to make sure you watch that video. When you leave here now, so most of you, whenever you leave here, that's all. You just fold your laptop and keep. You wait till the next live session when I send signal. But you have to learn to do this thing. See, I've done every of this process for you. Can you see? Every of this process for you, how to launch you create an account. So when you click how to link it, you see how I'm doing it, you link it. Any broker design works, whether it's XNext, whether it's ASX, whether it's FXCM, whether it's Oanda, whether it's HFM, whether it's any broker at all. This is how you just get to link all of them about the same process. I hope that makes sense. So now GBPUSD has Vexo is pushing up in profit. Now I'm close to my goal of today. So I'm already up about, I think this is 15. I'm close, 16 now, 16K. I'm close to my goal. I'm close to my goal now with you guys. So how much are you guys up now? If you took this trade, how much are you up now? How much are you guys up now? If you took this trade, how much are you up now? Joshua Ario said, Jeff, I love your teaching. I appreciate you, Joshua. Adewale said he's up $6. Progress. I love that for you, Joshua. $1. Okay, not good. I'm up $1, $6. Okay, how much are you guys up in total? A better account will actually, a better funding will give you a better result anytime, and you guys already know that. So Henry said he's up $1,700. I saw that, Henry. $861, $38, $10, $5, $600, $7, $1,200, $12. We do this every Monday, guys, and some people still think it's luck. $100, $1, $7, $60, £30, $40, $20, £83 on a Monday morning. Congrats, guys. Those who are making money with me. Congrats. Who are making real good money. Oh, congrats, guys. Congratulations, guys. People at the trading floor, are you guys making money? At the trading floor, check them. Titi, are they making money? Yes, right? They're in profit. Okay, I can hear them. They're in profit too as well. Let's go check them out. People are making profit too as well. Let's check how much they're really making. You can't be with me and not make money. Oh. It's against the law. So how much are you guys making now? How much are you making? Wow. This is $200, right? So not be only me. Oh, see one. Let me see yours. $1. $1 gang. We do. Let me see how much. Oh, you're not trading. Oh, you're sleeping on it now. Okay, see. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, you're not trading. Your phone is charging. What about yours? Why now? Why now? What about you? Oh, he's a chill guy, doing it chill. Why are you not seeing profit now? All of us are in profit. We only show $3 negative. What did you do? Why now? Why?
He just went back.
Okay. Like your entry. Okay.
See what
Okay.
gold.
On gold.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Mama on gold.
Yeah,
See what she made?
best.
Thank you very much. Okay. So look at your own.
We clean it.
Healing. Okay. Profit. Okay, yours is just coming on. Okay, can you see that, guys? Great stuff. Nice stuff. Why you feel relaxed now? Why? What's going on? All right. A lot of excitement in the trading station. I mean, you know, life is sweet when everybody's making money. But you see, if you're not making money, some people would vex on the comment section. That was when I make money, I post it. Some people that are angry in the comment section, they never make. That's why. You then say collect, they will follow you ginger. You understand? That's how life works. That's why I'm always trying at my best to make sure that everybody around me is making, so that there'll be no bad blood. If you're around me, you definitely will make money. So now, guys, what I want to be doing is, yeah, I love you loads, guys. Love you guys too as well. What I want to be doing is, I'm going to be carrying some set of people along in a journey where we can build a certain amount of money to another certain amount of, not so big money, because the essence is not to make a lot of money with them, is that I teach them how to make it so that they'll be able to replicate it on their own, by their own self. Okay, so that is what I want to do. That's going to be coming pretty soon, and we're going to be sharing that insight on how we're going to be going over that with time. All right, so guys, make sure you guys are really locked in and you are really asking the right question. Naftali also did that with me the last time. We were unable to make so much money, but then he learned loads. Naftali also did. I agree that he learned a lot, but people will not really understand that he doesn't really make, even if he did not make a lot of money, but he went home with a lot of nuggets, that his life can never remain the same. And that's just the joy for me. That's just the joy for me. All right. Thank you very much, guys. So ask me questions now. Nice for Q&As, and then we can call it a day. We don't have to stay too long in this place. Oh, Crazy Kids Comedy, big shout out to you. Estosa, big shout out to you for joining the YouTube community too as well. So if you've got any question for me, just let me know. King David is asking questions. He said, I really love you and I really want to be financially free like you. King David, that's very possible. And you watching this live stream, it means that you're well on your way to that vision of yours. Just make sure you gain mastery before you fund your account. So many people lost their money at the learning phase before they gain mastery. That's why they're currently where they are. Do not be that people. Do not be that person. All right. Instead, gain mastery before you start funding your money in your life account. When you just know how to trade now, you're not confident, you would know. You just would know when you know what you're doing. When your wins are higher than your losses in your demo, you know that it's not just a demo fugazi. It's not a beginner's luck. It's none of those. It's now pure skill. It's not pure trade management. It's not pure risk management. Then you will know. That's what I'm talking about. So let's go. When next are you coming live? Every Monday I do this. On Monday I'll be live again with you guys. On Monday, next week Monday, I'll be here again. So make sure you're always here every Monday. Okay? T Will say my GLE is coming. No problem. Slowly, surely you definitely will get it. But the truth is you definitely will get it. All right. So now, with this said, now let me wrap up and just really explain. There's excitement, there is joy and everything. Do not always forget the part of risk management. Yes, we are making money this much. Remember, the amount of lot size you put will determine the amount of money you make and also the amount of losses you can also incur. We don't want to downsize the part of how that is very important. So many people are not trading today or are heading on trading today because they over leveraged at their early stage. The lot size that is very, in order for you to do it, for you to really make good amount of money, for you to stay longer in the game, you have to make sure you start out small. Cue that greed, that voice, the inner voice that tell you, no, if you just put one more, now you're making $20. If you have put two more, it would be $40. Cue that inner voice. Be ready to grow slowly, surely, and consistently. Be ready to do that. And always know that each trade you take is more of a lesson than it's a get rich quick thing. Some people think the next trade they take should be the one that should take them out of poverty that they're already in. No. It's a different mindset. So now let me give you a practical step as to, please, can you give us more trade? No, I can't give you more trade. I can't give you more trade, please. It's important that we learn to stick with these two. Have you ever seen me do more trades than these two trades when we are live here? No. Why? I love to stick to, I don't want you guys to over leverage your account, because I know so many people here, they only have $10, but then they want to place the heaven and earth trade on that same small account. That's not how it's done. Learn to control your number of trades. I only trade London and New York session. There's a reason why this our live session is 1 p.m. because this is London, this is New York entry opening session. So move. There are secret times I'm going to teach you. Coming on the mentorship, let me not give out those information. There are secret times of entry that I do every now and then. And I'm going to teach you in the mentorship when you can get in, when to sell, when to buy, where to sell, where to buy, and when to exit to as well. These are very crucial for your training. So I was about to show you guys how the number of trades does really matter. Now imagine we are getting in on gold, we got in on GBP USD, we also got in on USD CAD like we did. Some will be putting you in profit, some will be putting you in very deep loss. That's what always happens to most people. So in that case, you'll be confused. You don't know the one to close. You don't know if you're closing one of loss now, would the profits that this new one is giving me, would it be enough for you to cover the loss and also making profits? You're uncertain. Or if I close the one in profit, won't this loss get worse and even wipe out all the profit I've made, or even clear out my whole of the account? You don't even know what to do. So in that case, you're already stuck. If you are always in that level, limit your trades to about 2 entries per trade. I mean, per session. What I mean by per session, like now that I'm trading, I call that's 1 session for me. So I'm on GBP USD, I'm on USD CAD for this session. So once I'm done with this one, I close it out, except you have actually gained mastery of other one. Or if you are broken even on GBP USD, you can add another one. Or you broke even on USD CAD, you can add another one. But don't have too many trades open, because you're going to lose sense of control and focus on all of these trades. I hope that makes sense. So we've spent about 47 minutes live here now. We've seen what's possible with trading, and now now that my profits now, I was almost hitting my goal that time. Now back down again. $8 in loss, $600. You see, that's how trading works. But then I'll be back up again soon. All right, it's gonna be back up, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Just keep watching, because this trade minimum should give me minimum of 20,000 today. Now I'm up again. Can you see? But not so much profit. It's fluctuating between loss and profit. But for USD CAD, we are in profit. The one that is giving us a tough time now is GBP USD. All right, we'll be up pretty soon again. So ask me questions now while we wait. What is the time frame? This is from Isaac Namabiri. Okay, what time frame? This is 15 minutes time frame. That's where I do my analysis. 15. All right. Can I start with $50? This is from yes, you can start with $50, my friend. You can. Yeah, sorry about that. You can start with $50. What leverage can I put on $100? Advise me, please. I can't follow my trading plan. Okay. In order to follow your trading plan, you have to make sure you set sanctions for yourself. Anytime you break any one of those, you sanction yourself. Okay. Patriot said, he said, what leverage can I put on $100 account when funding? 1 to 1,000 is fine. 1 to 500, 1 to 1,000, 1 to 2,000 is just decent. You see? Like negative now. But don't worry, it's coming back up. All right. Other question? Please, can you create Academy in Abuja? Yes, that's coming pretty soon. Academy in Abuja coming pretty soon, guys. What is the minimum withdrawal? $10. You can withdraw any amount of money you want. $10, I think. Daniel, hope to see you at the top. You say you'll be profitable like me. Very positive. How can I join your VIP group? Go to firepipsfx.com. That's the website that you can get access to every of our services. or on our Telegram. We also broadcast it from time to time too as well. Go to this website. Can we link two broker to our MetaTrader 5? Yes, you can even link as many as you want to your MetaTrader 5. You can. A better funding will give you a better result. So bigger lot size opening plenty slot, which is better? And what prop firm do you recommend? Yeah, a better funding will give you a better result. Not necessarily. Better funding does not necessarily give you better results. It's a better trader that brings better results. It's a good trader because you can have $1 million and still blow it. You can have $500,000 and still blow it. You can have $100 and still grow it. So I doubt that. But then what you would say is you get to make more money when you have bigger fund. The money looks big. Like now, the way you saw that I had 18K as opposed to someone who would be having $18. I was making 18,000. It can just motivate you more. That's what you say. That doesn't mean that that's a better result. Bigger lot size or opening plenty lot size, which is better? So bigger lot size, opening plenty lot size, it depends on the role you want to achieve. So I would like to open 3 positions and split the lot size if I have the intention of taking partial profit along the way. But if I just want to wait for a really big move at that point, I want market to move on my I just use a bigger lot size. I get to make more money that way. Which prop firm? Last one is, which prop firm do you recommend? FTMO is still the best by far because I've seen them pay out really big amount of money, even to me. Jeff, the online mentorship, does the beginner level involves analyzing chart like chart analysis, or is from the intermediate? It's from the intermediate you start doing proper analysis. All right. You can also check our curriculum to know which one exactly that fits your level. Use this curriculum. The curriculum is like our scheme of work. So you can use it here. You can read it through the curriculum because it's exactly what's in the curriculum you will be getting. Exact. So if you're in the beginners group, these are the things you will learn. You see? Introduction, day 2, day 3, day 4, up until day 8. These are the things you'll be learning. So if there's any topic here you really clearly don't understand, so you join the beginners group. All right. I hope that makes sense. Intermediate also has theirs. Intermediate, you start doing proper trading using what's it called? Fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and all of that. Okay. And then the advanced, you start trading proper, tackling the real question that most traders have. All right. So you can just download it right there. What leverage can I put on $10? Put the highest leverage you can see there. 2,000, 1 to 2,000, 1 to 1,000, because it's just a small amount of money. What lots can I use with 50? This is a little bit tricky. What lot size to use, because I don't know the stop loss you are putting on that trade. So I'll just say stick to 0.01 because it is the minimum. It is the lowest. You can't go lower than that. So 0.01 will just be fine. What would be easier and more comfortable to grow a $100 account or a prop firm? It depends on your parties. So for me, I'll pay $100 account over a prop firm. What is the one thing that keeps you motivated on Forex, boss? And how can I become profitable Forex trader? What's the one thing that keeps you motivated on Forex? Okay, he just replicated that. He sent it twice. So one thing that keeps me motivated and keep me on the chart over time is the fact that I have seen the results that trading can really give. All right. Whatever that I'm making right now, whatever that I've made, all the money that I've made is through trading. All right. So number one. And then before then, what kept me on the ground was that I know that I really can make trading is a very scalable business. So for example, in that you can be trading $100 now, by someone just investing $10,000 on you, you are now a tens of thousand guy. You cannot make money in tens of thousands. Someone investing $100,000 on you cannot make money in hundreds of thousands. You understand? So it's highly scalable. Unlike traditional business, in order for you to scale, you have to go and open shop, buy new inventories and put in there, employ new staff. You understand? Employ new staff and deal with a lot of logistic stuff. But with trading, is highly scalable. So that just really keeps me. I say, even if it's going to take me 4 years to learn this craft, I'll stick around. All right. So that is it. So now I was showing you a loss of $5,000. Now you see, I'm back up again, $3,000. I'm back up again. I'm back. Everybody should be back again. So trading is a fluctuation of emotions. You have to just learn to be calm down, calm down. Epo àwọn ẹ̀fọ́kànbalẹ̀. Everything will go well. As long as you are with me, it will go well. It will go well. It will go well. I don't feel. I don't feel, man. So now, okay. So other questions I'm just getting. Oh, give us academy. So. We need your academy in this place. I need this one. I need that one. Please, guys. That's why we have the online one. We have people from over 160 countries. We have people from over 160 countries in our academy. You should be a part of that. But what if I say effort come ballet? Yeah, so hello for Kumbale. Like effort come ballet means go and calm down, relax. So Tega Godin is asking, say, why don't you trade binary? I don't trade binary because I don't really believe in binary. I just do Forex. All right, just do Forex. All right, binary is time based and all that. I don't do that. That doesn't mean that it's bad. I'm not criticizing them, but I just don't do it. I don't believe in it. Okay, I just don't believe in it. Someone said, why are you so confident? Why would I be confident when I know what I'm doing? I've done it over and over again. The next Monday, I've done it a couple of Mondays back. Next Monday, I will do it again. This Monday, I'm doing it again. I'll keep doing it. So why would I not be so confident? If now you said you're not confident. All right. So now I think we've made the most of this live trading session, right? So I want us to close out together. Even if we are not able to hit our target right now, I want us to close out together, right? So let's just go over all the analysis I've made before, and then I'll let you know if it's time for us to close out. So GBP USD, let's check what is currently going on in that pair. So it's back up. I know it's going to be very aggressive now. It's going to be going up crazily. So let's leave it for 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, we'll be back for GBP USD. All right. Meanwhile, tighten your stop loss. Since it has done the only test, this is the test period. You just came back to the test, and now it's fine. So move your stop loss now to this new low that I just created. So now what this has now done, it has made us is now 1 to 13 risk to the world. That is, if market move now and go to which was formerly a 1 to 2 risk to the world, that will now mean that we are now making 1 to 13 risk to the world. Change your stop loss now. This is what most people don't still understand. Change your stop loss to 1.34217. 34217. Do that now. I'm already up $22,000 already. 1.34217. Do that now. Copy and paste for the other one because we had 2 positions. Remember, guys, I told you guys to enter 2 positions. So I just shared my results on the Telegram channel. Guys, go and check it out on the Telegram. For those who are on Telegram, when we're in a drawdown, some people click out of this live session. They thought we would not come back. They always do that thing all the time. Unbelievers. I just shared my results to you guys. Now that result that I shared before has even increased again. But just tighten your stop. Just tighten. This way now, we're risking 15 pips. Now we're not risking just only 2 pips. Can you see the wonder of this thing now? That's what I mean. It doesn't change the result I'm still going to be getting. It just only reduced my risk drastically. So let's check USD card ASAP. I need to go now because I know I need to hop on some other meetings. So on USD card, since market has been dragging it now, change from your 15 pip risk, change it to 7 pip risk. So your new stop loss now is now 1.3728. 372. Do that now. Right now. So I'm going to copy this one. Tighten your stop loss. Let me give out this whole instruction. On USD card. So let's do the same thing for GBP USD now. GBP USD, guys. GBP USD. Do that for GBP USD. Let me call it a day. Let me run. For GBP USD is this one, right? So tighten your stop loss for this one. Three, 4, 2, 1, 7. GBP USD. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you guys sticking up to this extent. So now this is the review time, the time you guys have been waiting for. How much is Jeff on now? I'm up this much. I'm up 26K now. That's fine by me. I just tighten everything. I don't want much. I'm okay for today, guys. So let's call it a day. Bye-bye, guys. I love you guys. Let me close it right in front of you guys. I'm just going to tap here and do bulk operation. Close everything. I'm done. I'm out, guys. I'm out. Someone is saying check good. I'm not checking. I'm not checking. I'm not checking. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm done.